Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to reset Linux Firewall. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Resetting a Linux firewall depends on which firewall tool you're using. Here's a breakdown for the most common ones: UFW, Firewalld, iptables, and nftables, with clear steps to restore default settings. UFW and complicated firewall. Reset UFW to default. Removes all rules and disables UFW. Re-enable UFW. Optional. Set default policies. Firewalld. Fully reset Firewalld. Delete all zones and reload. This wipes all custom zones and rules. You'll need to reconfigure zones afterward. iptables. Flush all rules. Set default policies. If using iptables persistent, save the reset. Reload without rebooting. iptables persistent is typically used on Debian-based systems. On other distros, you may need to use iptables save and iptables restore. Or save using the service. nftables. Flush all rules. Optional. Load a clean configuration. You can edit /etc/nftables.conf to define your default rule set. Note: before resetting any firewall, you may want to back up your current rules. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.